June 12, 1993 na the day wey millions of Nigerians waka go vote for wetin pipo dey call the freest and fairest election wey don ever happen for the country. Na the day wey dem born hope, but dem later thief am. As General Ibrahim Babangida cancel MKO Abiola victory, na so everywhere for Naija scatter as pipo dey vex enter streets dey protest. Journalists, students, market women and activists like Kudirat Abiola, Chris Anyanwu and Shehu Sani risk their life for the fight wey dem dey fight for democracy. Many of them even die put. Even though the government of before Presido Muhammadu Buhari for 2018 recognized June 12 as Democracy Day, this year own get im own special feel as e dey happen just few months after General Babangida finally open mouth talk say na true say na MKO Abiola win that 1993 election. Even with all the sacrifice, till today Nigeria dey do election steady, but many people still dey doubt whether the process dey clean. Wahala like election violence and talk of vote rigging still dey make people no dey trust the whole process.
Which vote? Vote dey work in Nigeria. Me, I don't know.
When the day of election come, you see opposition, they cannot even come out to vote, and the major party, they will take over everything and they will ring it. So our vote in Nigeria is not counting.
Though soldier no dey rule again, many politicians still dey do anyhow, and wetin Nigerians suppose dey enjoy from democracy never still reach many people hand.
Nothing I dey enjoy, nothing. Instead, we just dey suffer for nothing. We just dey suffer to feed our children. Everything hard for us wey be poor people.
Regrettably, there is little on ground to show that MKO Abiola actually died, for a good cause, because we are not yet still seeing the democracy. Honestly, we are not seeing it. We are just seeing politicians without value, politicians who do not have actually maybe a radar. With the level of defections that we are seeing today, people are PDP, tomorrow they are APC, next tomorrow they are whatever party. It's still the same group of people that are just changing names of parties.
For some people wey dey Abuja, dem talk say the FCT minister dey try wella for road and infrastructure, but the fine look of the city no dey match the level of hunger wey dey ground.
Yeah, we in Abuja, we are enjoying the dividends of democracy in terms of road network, in terms of other things like that, because Wike is trying.
Good roads without food in the belly, sir, does not really make sense. And the politicians are not doing the people a favor. You ask the people to vote you. You are supposed to provide the basic necessities like hospitals, water, light, the roads and everything we talk about. Are we even supposed to be talking about dividends? This is the right of the people. It is the reason why they elect the government and their representatives in the first place.
People are looking for food. They can't see food to eat. People are dying, hunger everywhere. Any place I pass, you see people will be looking at you as if you have money. They'll be begging you for money.
The struggle wey start on June 12 na im lay the foundation for civilian government to fit the rule today, but political experts dey yarn say to get true democracy pass just to dey vote every 4 years.
I don't think we have achieved democracy. That people will assemble to cast vote or whatever, as far as I'm concerned, is not democracy. You can have civilian dictatorship, you can have military dictatorship. So as far as I'm concerned today, I think we are even worse off than the era of the military.
32 years after June 12, Nigerian democracy still dey waka, e never reach the bus stop. But no be only to dey vote dey important. Political experts believe say the main fight now na to make sure say government dey accountable and dey work for the people true.
It connotes participation, it connotes justice, it connotes accountability. So long all these are missing out from our governance system, we cannot pride ourselves as a democratic governance.
As we sit down dey think on wetin June 12 mean, one thing dey sure, Democracy na something wey everybody go dey protect every time and common man suppose dey benefit from am for real.